Trabzon is one of the major cities of Turkey and the biggest one in the eastern Black Sea region. Trabzon is a very beautiful city. This is a small place where we ate lunch. This place is filled with greenery and small waterfalls. This is nice place to see how the tea is manufactured.
Evet, merhaba, ehlen ve sehlen. Masna ziyare badi ikram. Tamam. No English? No English. Arabi? Arabi. Vallahi, tamam, sabit. English.
تتكلم انجليزي؟
ايوه
في
انجلش.
كلام عربي انجلش. I don't know Arabic. I just know تتكلم عربي.
You can also taste different kinds of tea and buy their products from this place. Their prices are reasonable. Their hospitality is great.
Turkish tea leaves.
Tea leaves.
We have three types of tea: white tea and green tea and black tea. The white tea, if you know, this just this small piece. White tea. This not normal tea for health, diabetes, cancer, you know. Antioxidants. It's a white. In day, you take just 3 leaves. Just 3. In glass, small glass, and hot water. After you drink. For healthy and for diet, you can use. No? Cholesterol. After this, we have a green tea. This here in 200 centigrade.
You heat it.
For 1 hour. After this, put it here. After this, in oven, 3 hours in 100 centigrade. Handmade green tea. Putting in the water, opening like a oolong tea in China. Organic for diet, cholesterol, no? And we have a black tea. We don't take here black tea. Black tea, we first cutting small piece after in oven, but a huge oven. No, 3-4 hours in 100 centigrade. After this, you get. You can't see with me. But now it closed. You just working at 3 months.
Okay, 3 minutes.
Just black tea. We have a 3 quality of tea, black tea. First quality, Europe. Second quality, Turkey. Third,
Second.
tea bags. Not healthy, not organic tea bags. Like a Lipton.
Okay.
Companies down big tested tea. India. Pakistan.
Black.
Black. Everybody drink a black. So comes also. You can sound it.
Here or me.
Not problem. If you want to.
This place is better.
Yes. That tea tree. Huge. Sit down. This we drink 2 types of tea. Black tea. We say banana tea. Black tea, then mountain flowers.